Conversion rate optimization. Conversion rate optimization. There are people who work for this, who are called as CRO analyst. The primary responsibility within this role is to optimize the online customer journey for the for your products, ensuring the expansion of the online business through customer acquisition and revenue growth. Google Analytics. A glimpse at the Google Analytics can tell you how many people visit the website and from which location they are active and actively looking for the product in your website. Which particular page they are engaging in and what is the duration of time that they are spending on your website. Is there a need for the mobile friendly website? If yes, you have to focus on that. Not all your websites that we see on internet are mobile friendly. So make sure you have to cater for your mobile users because most of the people that use our internet are from mobile. If you look at the scenario, it is around 90% who look your content on your mobile. Which other website sends traffic to the websites? Okay, where we can see the which backlink is having the more opportunity and who is referring your website and from which link. Which marketing tactics drive the most traffic to the website? We might have triggered the campaign on Google Ads, Bing Ads, social media campaigns. We have to understand because I'm spending money. I have to look for return on ad spend. When we are focusing on conversion rate optimization, I have to check which is giving me better conversion and which particular platform is giving me more conversion. Purely paid. Which pages on the website are most popular? Is it homepage? Which is obviously it will be popular because most of the people they come to your homepage, then they navigate to your product page and the services page. If you're talking about some special occasion, you have to focus on that particular product and that particular page. You would have spent some money to focusing on that as landing page and triggered a campaign. How to improve the website speed? Remove all the unwanted JavaScript in your content and remove all that pulls your capacity, the loading capacity. Look for the irrelevant images, unwanted images, please pull it out. Which blog content the visitors like the most? I have written a lot of content where I have the relevant keywords which get attracted by the search engines and which also get attracted by the users. Where I have the quality content, quality users. Which place do the converting visitors belong to and what did they visit on the website? CRO. Which place is the part where the customers get attracted, which particular engagement factor where the customer gets attracted and gets converted? And what did they actually get from my website? I have to focus on the value rather than focusing on sales and marketing. If I create a value for my customer, obviously customer will make a decision on purchase. Wherein my conversion gets higher focusing on the content that I have it on my website. So in Google Analytics, we will be able to see the reports. So you can see the audience reports, acquisition reports, behavior reports, and at last our focus is on conversion reports.